In today's video, we kick off our scale model assembly by printing the road layout on the base layer. After 3D printing and pre-assembling all components, we position them on the layout and prepare for the next phase of our project. Time to infuse color into our model. We carefully spray paint each component, ensuring they align with the envisioned color scheme. Assembly just got a whole lot faster. Thanks to our integrated magnetic system in each component, putting together the scale model is a breeze. This system allows you to lift each component effortlessly, revealing the interior layout of the building diagram, and then snap them into position and connect them to the magnets from the base layer. Easily lift to explore each component. The main building component features an additional middle floor and a miniature ramp connecting them. Everything has printed graphics and information for the interior layout. Separately, discover 3 pathways leading to next building components, all connected by a 3D printed dome. We're thrilled with how everything comes together. The magnetic system makes assembly and disassembly a breeze.